So you've created your design. In Canva, you can be confident that your work is saved and organized. Let's learn how. Start on the home page. In this tab, you'll see what you've created in Canva. The All tab is where you'll find everything you've worked on. To find something specific, filter by folders, designs, images, and video. Remember the search tool too. Find a type of document or even a word within a design. When you're working online, Canva saves designs automatically. You can check this. Head to the menu here and tap Save, and choose where to save your file by tapping Save to a folder. As you create more designs, folders are the easiest way to stay organized. View your existing folders here. By default, all Canva designs and folders are private. Ready to share with a team member? Tap here. Type in their email address and nominate whether they can edit or simply view the folder. Here, you can also rename, move, and delete folders. There's no limit to the ways you can organize your designs. Make a folder within a folder, like this. You can also organize your work straight from your Projects tab. Move files to a folder just like this. The team page contains anything related to your company or brand. Here, you can see designs and folders that have been created and shared with members of your team. Team templates are a Canva Pro feature, allowing you to design quickly and stay on brand. The People tab is the place to invite and remove team members and change roles and permissions of the people in your team. If your team is large, create smaller groups for collaboration and specific projects. Name the group and add members as administrators or members. The ability to organize and share your work is one of Canva's superpowers. Optimize your creative workflow with Canva's folders, teams, and groups.